going on, Boat Nation? I'm Zach. I'm here to walk you through how to install your paddle sheath. So this would be on your HD, Rackums, and also Rovers, Rover Arrows. So your box came, you're gonna have this paddle sheath, open it up. A couple things to keep in mind as you're installing this. As you can see inside the box, we have everything buckled in, but first time you use it, really simple, it's in the box, but also keep in mind, if you're taking this on and off, you want to make sure that you keep your gear organized. Part of the reason for it is we have different length screws, and each size screw depends on what application you're using it for. So, for example, you're looking at a 1/2-inch screw here on the paddle sheath, and on your sand spear sheath, you're looking at 3/8 inch. So, let me open these up just to show you a difference real quick. You can see there's a difference in length, and that's important because you want to make sure that you don't put too long of a screw in, and then you can puncture your board. So you want to make sure you're careful. One of the things I'll show here that I do just to keep organized, a little painter's tape. When you're done at the end of the day, just put a little tape on there, and then you can keep your screws organized, really simple way. All you need for this, screwdriver. What you definitely do not need, and I repeat, do not use, is a screwdriver. Way overkill, and you can over tighten the screws, cause problems or damage to your board. So do not use this. Make sure you use this. And real simply, all you're gonna do is put the washer on, match up the holes. Paddle sheath is gonna face back towards the back of the board. Put the screws in, match up the holes, screw it on. I always try to, what I typically do is put them all in nice and loose and then tighten them down once all 4 of them are installed. So mostly screwed in, washer on the screw. If this is your first time ever using a screwdriver, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So there you go, tip of the day. You heard it here first. All right, now that I got them all in, I'm just gonna go make sure they're tightened. Don't need to go overkill on the tightening, just until it's nice and snug. Once you have your paddle sheath installed, of course, you just take your paddle, push it in, there you go. Out in the water, that way you can quickly grab your rod and make a cast. You're beaching your board, whatever it might be. It's a way of just getting the paddle out of the way, very convenient. Then pull it out, you're ready to go.